welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. So, attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of details and reviews online and its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and Category 4. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen all this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are not subscribed or you have not subscribed,